Greetings, my friends. I'm Jen Hilman. Thanks so much for joining me today in this yoga for weight loss practice. So we are going to build some heat today, start moving at a faster pace so we really get the heart pumping and starting to build that inner fire. And that's the kind of work we're looking for when we want to burn calories and trim the excess fat. So roll out your mat and get ready to join me for this exciting weight loss flow. So we're going to begin with a few sun salutations to start to warm up the body. So go ahead and come to stand at the top of your mat. Bringing your feet parallel to one another, spread your toes wide apart and root your feet down into your mat. Lift up on your legs, hugging the muscles strongly around the bones. Lift through your waist, growing tall and toning through your core. Then let your shoulder blades glide down towards your spine as your collarbones broaden and you lift through the crown of your head. Then let's inhale and sweep your arms up to the sky. Stretch and lift. Then exhale and fold your body down all the way forward over your legs. Now you can bend your knees as much as you need to allow your upper body to really let go. We want to get all the way down into this forward fold. Then on your next inhale, lift your spine halfway up, extending your heart forward. Roll your shoulders down your back, lift your belly up and in, and stretch your heart forward. Then exhale and fold your body down. Plant your hands on your mat, spreading your fingertips wide. Then step your feet back to plank pose. Now you can always keep your knees lowered down to the earth, or you can keep your knees lifted, depending on your strength today. Then we'll inhale to lift your heart up. Exhale to bend your elbows and pause for a full exhale. Then release your tummy down to the floor. Bring the tops of your feet to the earth. Roll the tops of your shoulders to the sky. Then inhale and curl your heart up, strengthening the muscles along your spine. Then let's press back through a tabletop position. Tuck your toes underneath you and lift your hips up into your downward facing dog. Take a full cycle of breath in and out. Let it go. Then we'll lift your gaze and walk your feet forward to the top of your mat. Coming all the way back to your forward fold, let's inhale and lift your spine. Lengthen your heart forward, lifting halfway up. Then exhale your breath and fold it back down. On your next inhale, we come to rise, standing all the way up. Circle your arms up towards the sky. And exhale, bringing your hands to prayer position at your heart. Then inhale your breath, circle your arms up again. Then we exhale and fold your body down, moving with the rhythm of your breath. Inhale to lift and lengthen your spine. Exhale to fold. Plant your hands on your mat. Step your feet back to plank pose. You can keep your knees lifted or lower them down. Inhale to lift your heart and prepare. Then exhale to bend your elbows, pause and hover. Then you can lower your belly all the way to the floor. Bring the tops of your feet down. Roll the tops of your shoulders up. Inhale, curling your heart up. Then we'll exhale and press it back to your downward facing dog. Lift your hips high and take a full round of breath right here. Breathe it in and breathe it out. Then walk or step your feet forward to the top of your mat. Coming back to your forward fold. Inhale to lift. Lengthen your spine halfway. Exhale and fold all the way down. Then we'll stand all the way up with your inhale, rising to the top. Then exhale and bring your hands to prayer position at your heart. Then again, we flow. Inhale, circle your arms high. Exhale, fold your body down. Inhale to lift and lengthen your spine. Then we'll exhale, step it back, plank pose. Inhale, lift your heart to prepare. Exhale, lower into your chaturanga and hover. Then let your belly come all the way down. Inhale, curl your heart up, cobra pose. And exhale and make your way back to your downward facing dog. Lifting your hips high here. On your next inhale, this time let's lift your right leg up towards the sky. Then exhale and step your foot all the way forward into a lunge. Lower your left knee down. Let's inhale and rise into your low lunge. Exhale to float your hands back down to the floor. Lift your left leg and sweep your right foot up towards the sky. Exhale to lower your right foot down. Then inhale to lift your left heel. Stretch it high. Then we'll exhale and step all the way forward into your lunge. Lower the right knee down. Inhale, sweep your arms high. Low lunge. Then exhale to float your hands down. Lift your right knee and sweep the left leg up and back behind you. Stretch. And release your left foot to the floor. Take a full round of breath here. In and out. And then walk, step, or hop your feet forward to the top of your mat. Inhale to lift your heart up. Exhale to fold your body down. Then inhale and rise, coming to stand all the way up. This time as you exhale, dive right back down, coming all the way back into your forward fold. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Then exhale and fold it down. Step back into your plank pose. Inhale your breath to prepare. Then exhale, bend your elbows, hover. Then come down onto your belly. Inhale your breath, curling your heart up to your cobra pose. Then we'll exhale and make your way back into your downward facing dog. Then again, inhale and sweep the right leg high, tripod down dog. Then exhale and step your foot forward all the way into a lunge. This time we're going to keep the back knee lifted. Then inhale and lift your fingertips up towards the sky. Hug your belly up and in as you curl your heart open. Then exhale and float your hands right back down to the floor. Plant your left hand down and sweep your right arm up to the sky so you get a nice twist in your lunge. Exhale here and glide your fingertips back behind you, deepening into your lunge. As you inhale again, reach your fingertips to the sky and draw your right knee straight. So now you're in a revolved pyramid pose. Gently release your right hand to the floor and spin your left heel flat down. Let's open the left fingertips to the sky opening into triangle pose. Roll your right rib cage under as you open your heart and look your gaze up to your left thumb. Then gently release the left hand down. We're going to shift forward into a standing split. So reach your fingertips forward, shift your weight over your right leg, and kick your left toes up towards the sky. Now inhale here, lifting your heart and lifting your heel. Then exhale, tuck your left knee in towards your chest, round your spine and tuck your chin in. Then we'll inhale and kick it back. Lift your heart, lift your heel. Then exhale, curl it into a ball. Squeeze. One more time. Inhale, lift and extend your leg. Then exhale and curl it in. Nice tight squeeze. Then go ahead and just step your left foot down, coming right back into your forward fold. Let's inhale to lift and lengthen your spine. Then exhale and make your way back to your plank pose. Stepping back to the back edge of your mat. Keep your knees lifted or lower them down as you inhale to prepare. Exhale, lower into your chaturanga and pause. Then let your belly come all the way down. Inhale, roll your heart away from the earth, lifting your chest. Then exhale and make your way back to downward facing dog. Lift those hips high. Then we'll inhale and lift the left leg, preparing for the second side. Step your left foot all the way forward to the top of your mat. Keeping your back knee lifted, let's rise into your lunge, extending your arms to the sky. Lunge deep into that front knee as you tone the strength of your back leg. Inhale your breath here, then exhale and float your hands back down to the floor. Plant your right hand firmly. Inhale and sweep the left arm to the sky, revolving your rib cage around. Then exhale, lunge a little deeper and glide your fingertips towards the back. Then we'll lift your fingertips again, draw your hips back, and extend that left leg straight for a revolved pyramid stretch. Gently release the left hand down. Keep both knees extended as you spin your right heel flat. Open up your right fingertips to the sky, working your way into triangle pose with both knees straight. Scoop your rib cage under. Look your gaze up to your right fingertips and breathe. Then exhale and gently release your hand down. We're coming all the way around into our standing split. So reach your fingertips forward, shift your weight into your left leg, and sweep those right toes up towards the sky. Then inhale and lift halfway. Extend your spine, lift your heel. Then exhale and hug everything into center. Squeeze your belly tight, tuck your knee to your chest, and tuck your chin in. Then we'll inhale and extend it long. Reach your heart forward, then exhale and hug it in. Squeeze. Try to hug your belly in using your core strength here. Then we'll inhale and extend it long again. Reach. Exhale, hug everything in towards the center using the strength of your core. Then gently float your right foot down to meet your left, coming back into your forward fold. Then let's go ahead and sink your hips all the way down to the floor. Coming down into a seat, you can scoot your hips back. Lean back on your hands. Press into the earth to lift your spine up. So you want to have a nice long spine here, keeping your chest lifted. Then rock back on your hips, lifting your feet away from the floor, bringing your shins about parallel with the floor. See if you can keep your heart lifted and bring your hands to prayer position at your heart. Now extend your left leg, twist your left elbow to your right knee, and switch, alternating back and forth. So we're working a little core strength here, building that inner fire, working at your own pace, alternating as you go, right and left. We're working for a total of 10 on both sides. So we've got 2 more rounds, right and left, right and left. Then wrap your arms around your shins, give yourself a little hug, just letting your belly and your hips relax. Then go ahead and roll all the way down onto your back. Let your legs extend down to the end of your mat. Let your arms relax down by your sides. Let your breathing begin to slow down, allowing your body to relax. In these last few minutes, you've built a lot of heat in your body. You've done a lot of work in a short amount of time. See if you can now allow yourself to unwind and integrate all the work that you've just done. Feel the warm, tingling sensations coursing through your body. Feel your heart pulsing, beating in your chest. Let your breathing become long and slow and deep. And let yourself completely relax. Allow yourself to stay and enjoy this relaxation for as long as it feels good to your body. When you feel ready to awaken, slowly and gently roll yourself over to one side. Pause for a moment in a comfortable side-lying position. Just feeling that gentle comfort. And as you feel ready, gently begin to press yourself all the way up into a seat. Now you can keep your eyes closed here and just stay really present, allowing yourself to feel into your body and just notice the quality of your breath, the quality of your thoughts. And take this moment to acknowledge yourself, give yourself thanks and gratitude for coming onto your mat and engaging in your practice today. Thank you for allowing me to be your guide. It is truly an honor to share on this journey with you. I hope that you've enjoyed this flow. Please like this video so you can follow along with me again anytime. And leave your comments below. Let me know how you're doing on your weight loss journey, or if there's any other practices that you're looking for. Don't forget to subscribe here to our YouTube family. If you'd like to enjoy some more extended flows, some more challenging practices, or some more health and wellness tips, you can join my subscription community at the jenhilmancommunity.vhx.tv. I look forward to seeing you next time. Namaste.